Hello and a very warm welcome to another episode of Metro Heights. My name is Athar. जी हाँ माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आज हम एक बुटीक में हैं, स्पेशल बुटीक में जिसका नाम है वैनुला फैशन और जो कि नोएडा के सेक्टर मैम जरा बताइए सेक्टर कौन सा है? मैं हमेशा कंफ्यूज हो जाता हूँ नोएडा में जब आता हूँ।
नो प्रॉब्लम सर, इट्स गौर सिटी 1।
गौर सिटी 1 जो कि आप नियरेस्ट मेट्रो स्टेशन है सेक्टर 52, वहाँ से आप वॉक इन करना चाहें वॉक इन कर सकते हैं या फिर ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर प्लेस करने की तो फैसिलिटी है ही है ना। तो
yes,
अगर
sir.
आपको कोई भी आर्टिकल पसंद आता है तो स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए, व्हाट्सएप कीजिए या फिर वीडियो कॉल कीजिए। उससे क्या होता है वीडियो कॉल से कि आपको बहुत सारी वैरायटी एक साथ देखने को मिल जाती है ना। तो और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट ये है कि सीओडी फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल नहीं है। ओनली एंड ओनली ऑनलाइन पेमेंट प्लेटफॉर्म इज अवेलेबल। डिलीवरी इज टू एनी कॉर्नर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। ठीक है, बस आपको सिर्फ फोन उठा के ऑर्डर प्लेस करना है। ठीक है, तो चलिए ओवर टू यू मैम, थोड़ा सा इंट्रोड्यूस कर दीजिए अपनी बुटीक को और अपनी कलेक्शन के बारे में। आज क्या दिखाने वाली है हमारे व्यूअर्स को?
सर एक्चुअली वी डील्स इन रिटेल एंड होलसेल बोथ।
अच्छा,
so basically we are dealing in wholesale mainly, but today I am just showing you for the retail customers of yours.
All right.
तो retail customers के लिए you can shop only for single piece also.
That's
and
very
delivery
nice.
will be free.
ठीक है।
So the minimum order will be 500 rupees. In 500 rupees you can take anything.
अच्छा।
And the delivery will be free.
So फिर देर किस बात की, grab the best stuff for yourself viewers. Let's begin. Let's move on to the very first article. क्या सबसे पहला आर्टिकल क्या आ रहा है हमारे सामने?
Sure sir. First article I will show you this legging.
अच्छा।
This is the legging.
Okay.
The fabric is very good and see, it is very stretchable.
Yes.
I have different pieces and different sizes.
Okay.
And it is assortment. Anybody is interested. The price is 200 rupees only.
All right.
And the size will be mix all.
अच्छा।
whatever like you have to tell me what size, what color you want.
अच्छा।
So
you can mix and match the articles and give, right? So it's see viewers, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है यहाँ पर एडवांटेज उठाइए क्योंकि यहाँ पर आपको जरूरी नहीं कि सेट वाइज लेना है, आप मिक्स एंड मैच कर सकते हैं, असॉर्ट कर सकते हैं कि भाई इसमें से एक पीस उसमें से एक पीस है ना, या साइज भी आप असॉर्ट कर सकते हैं, ये साइज फलाना साइज है एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा।
Even for the wholesale customer they can also take a mix and match. Wonderful. Of minimum 5,000 rupees only.
Wonderful. तो होलसेल बाइंग का क्राइटेरिया है मिनिमम 5,000 rupees. All right. Moving on to the next article.
Next article is this is pant. Okay. This is Lurex pant. It is in cotton fabric. The fabric is very fine. I have 3 colors in this. See the colors. All colors are very nice.
Okay.
See, this is green color.
Okay.
This is beige color.
Okay.
And this is blue color.
Okay.
So anybody is interested, this is in sale only in 150 rupees.
150 rupees.
Yes, 150 rupees flat.
All right.
So I have in this I have XL size. In this I have XL size. In this I have double XL size.
Very nice. So tell me something. Are these wholesale? Retail prices?
Yes, sir. These are wholesale retail prices.
Okay,
wholesale prices will be different.
Okay, तो wholesale prices के लिए हमेशा की तरह मैं कहता हूँ आप बुटीक ओनर से कांटेक्ट कीजिए, रेट लिस्ट मिल जाएगी आपको।
हाँ, वो आपको मिल जाएगी। So you can also send me the screenshot of जो भी आपको पसंद हो, of like minimum whatever order of आपको देना है minimum 5,000 में। So I will send you the wholesale price of that screenshot pictures also.
Wonderful. Okay.
And if anybody have like huge order, like bulk order, so we can just video call them and show all the collection.
That's nice.
Yes. Second thing, next article is this.
Okay.
This is the big size plazo, like 5XL woman can wear this plazo. Beautiful. And in this I have you can say 50 colors, different fabrics also. Okay. So I am just showing you 3 or 4 articles.
Okay.
See, this is first article. This is in cotton.
Okay.
You can order this also. All are same price, 299 only.
All right.
299. This is Lurex fabric in cotton.
All right.
So anybody can mix and match and take anything, even in retail client also. Retail client shipping will be free.
Interesting.
Yes.
Next
article is I am showing you plain plazos.
Plain plazos.
Yes, plain plazos. I have many colors. I am showing you one open piece. See, this is the plazo.
Okay.
In plain plazo I have 10 colors also. I am just showing you like little bit fast. These are the colors. This is burgundy color, maroon, this is mehndi color, navy color,
okay,
green color dark, this is black color also available, grey color also available.
All right.
This is mustard color, Rani color,
yeah.
and red color.
Red color.
These are all colors in plain plazo. The price is 175 only.
That's interesting.
Yes, the 175 only. Next article I am showing you, it's in brand. I'm just showing you the brand. I can't speak the name of the brand. See the brand.
Yes, yes.
See, this is the article.
Okay.
This is high waist belt legging.
Mm-hmm.
This is only cost at 299 rupees.
ओके, इस कुर्ती के बारे में बताइए.
नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल जो है ये मेरा रेयन के अंदर है. इसके अंदर मेरे पास बहुत सारे प्रिंट्स हैं एंड द साइज इज M2 ट्रिपल XL. आई हैव अवेलेबल M2 ट्रिपल XL साइजेस आर अवेलेबल. मेनी प्रिंट्स आर अवेलेबल. आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू वन आर्टिकल. इफ यू आर लाइकिंग इट देन यू कैन जस्ट पिंग मी अप, देन शो लाइक सेंड मी द अवेलेबल आर्टिकल. And this kurti is for like 3 pieces is for 1000 rupees with free shipping.
With free shipping, na?
Free shipping, 1000 rupees. Any 3 articles you can choose in like this type of kurtis. This is in rayon and this all is printed.
All right.
With 3/4 sleeves.
All right.
The price I have told you.
Yeah, 1000
pick
for
any 3.
Yeah.
In 1000 rupees. Free
These are
shipping.
all retail prices and wholesale will be different.
Yes, wholesale will be different.
Okay.
Now I am showing you second article. See this article. The fabric is very nice. The fabric isn't like it's a weaving fabric.
Weaving fabric. Let me take a
Sure.
close up of this. Yeah, it's beautiful actually.
Yes, and this is the hooks with eye, and I have second color also available in this. This is the maroon color.
Okay, this is maroon color.
Yeah,
and this is
the price is 399 only.
All right.
399 only. Next is this article. This is only for 499.
Okay.
This is next article 399.
Okay.
This is in muslin fabric.
Okay.
This is next article, very beautiful, and the fabric
is very rich, actually.
Yes, and the fabric is very nice, very you can say
it's summer friendly,
very
actually.
heavy.
Yeah,
it's friendly in winters and
winters also.
Yeah.
All right.
And it's with 3/4 sleeves.
Okay.
These are the tassels.
Okay.
The price is 599 only.
599. All right. Beautiful.
Next article is this. See.
Okay.
This is in cotton fabric. This is the embroidery with the buttons. I have sizes available.
Okay.
The price is 599.
599.
Yes. This
Beautiful,
is the set.
Beautiful. This is simply beautiful, gorgeous.
Yes, the fabric is very heavy. It's cotton cambric fabric.
Okay.
And I have 2 shades.
And these are all full length, huh?
Yes,
Viewers?
yes. Very. See the length. It's 46 inches length. And the 2
big
articles.
Big enough actually.
Yes. And the set price is 699
Lengthy
only.
enough. Yes.
699 only.
All right.
Next is this gown. This is the gown. This is for only 599 rupees.
599 rupees.
I have second color also in this. This is pink color.
Beautiful. These are all English gowns.
Yes. This is the next article. This
Mustard
is also
color,
the
very rich
gown.
actually, with sequence work.
Yeah,
all right.
And this is, you can just take a closer look. This is not actually sequence. This is a foil print.
Okay, foil print. Okay,
Yeah.
Okay.
And in this, I have grey color also.
Okay, I
And
mistook it for sequence actually. So
Yeah.
it's foil.
Yeah, it's foil.
Okay.
And the price is 599 only.
This is amazing actually. इसके बारे में बताइए.
नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल जो रहेगा ये एम्ब्रॉयडरी कुर्ती रहेगी.
ओके.
सी इसके स्लीव्स पर भी एम्ब्रॉयडरी का वर्क आएगा. दिस इज फॉर 599 रुपीज. आई हैव मेनी कलर्स इन दिस. सी दिस इज ब्लैक कलर. This is neon color.
Okay.
This is navy color.
Navy color.
This is grey color. All colors are very nice. This is red color.
All are running colors actually.
Yes. This is maroon color.
All right.
See, this is only for 599. If you want to take a pant with this, the set will be 699 only.
All right.
Next
and these
article.
are all branded ones.
Yes. Next is this. This is in kurti. This is stylish kurti. If you want a catalog picture of this kurti, I will show you the catalog picture. This is like this. This can be removed.
Detached. Okay.
And you can attach it like this.
Oh.
And it can be team up like in three ways. I will send you the pictures of this.
Okay.
If anyone is interested. This is only for 499 rupees. It's in cotton fabric.
Beautiful.
The neck is like this.
Yeah, somewhat like Angrakha.
Yes. Next article is in red color. See the print. It's in also in cotton.
Hot red actually.
With the buttons.
Yes.
The price is 499 only.
Beautiful.
See, this is also a embroidery kurti. I have 2 colors in this. The size, sorry, the price is 599 only. If you
Okay.
want a set, the set will be 699 only.
All right.
The pant will be there if
Okay.
you want a set.
All
White
right.
pant.
All right.
The colors are black and maroon color.
All right.
Next is kaftan style. Kaftan is very in nowadays.
Yes,
This is
it's
with the
in trend actually.
yes. This is with the handwork,
And pearl.
pearl work, and these are the tassels. See,
Okay.
in bottom. This is
Yes.
short kaftan,
Short kaftan.
and the price is 599.
All right.
In 599, you can take one piece also with the free shipping.
Okay.
See, this is next,
A
Gown
pure
style.
festive,
Yeah.
kurti with
and
jacket.
this is with the jacket. This jacket is detachable.
Detachable. Yeah. It's up to you. You
Yes.
can wear with along with the jacket or without jacket.
Yes, and the price is 699 only.
All right. Next.
This is all the golden foil.
Yeah, golden foil work.
Yes.
हाँ, इसके बारे में बताइए.
ये नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल है. ये सिंगल कुर्ती है. अगर कोई भी इंटरेस्टेड है, द प्राइस इज 399 ओनली विद द एम्ब्रॉयडरी. सी 399 रुपीज में आपको ये आर्टिकल मिल रहा है. ये असॉर्टमेंट आर्टिकल. आई डोंट हैव बल्क इन दिस.
Okay.
So these are the colors. This is Rani, this is peach, and this is navy.
All right.
Second article is this. This is also the embroidery kurti,
Okay.
and the kurti only the yoke part will be the embroidery. Rest all is plain.
These are all branded ones.
Yes, yes.
These
yes.
are all surplus articles actually.
Yes, this is black color in same. Next article. This is in sequence work.
Yeah.
The price is 499 only. In this same green color also.
Yes.
This is embroidery kurti.
Wonderful.
499 only.
All right.
If you want a pant with this, you can take a pant also.
Okay.
This is next article. This is in navy color, 399 only.
Okay.
This is kaftan.
Again,
the
a
tassels.
beautiful kaftan, huh?
Yes, and this is with the tassels. The
Tassel.
kaftan is plain, and this is with the knee length.
All right.
This is embroidery kurti in black color.
Okay.
All the price are like 399 to 499 range only.
Okay.
499. 499.
Okay.
This is pintuck kurti all over.
These are all full length, no?
Yes, yes, full length kurtis. If you
Okay.
want to see,
I will
can-
just showcase one piece.
Yes,
So
yes,
that you
yes.
get an idea. So this
See.
is the length. Quite lengthy it is.
Yes,
Okay, fine. And you get all sizes actually. That's the
Yes,
plus
yes,
point.
yes.
And once again, I'm repeating, these are all branded articles, branded surplus articles.
yes.
which
See the
is-
next article.
Yes.
This is in very beautiful article. This is for 599.
All right.
This is in khadi cotton with the embroidery work. 599.
Okay.
Only 399. 399.
All right.
Article is embroidery plazo set. Now I'm showing you all the plazo sets. This is a very beautiful green color. This is mehndi color. Sleeves is with embroidery. The plazo is plain. See, the
Plazo
plazo
is
is plain.
plain, yes.
I have small to double XL sizes available. Price is 799 free shipping.
All right.
And this is all embroidery.
All right.
The next article is also in embroidery part. This is with the plain black pant. And I have one more color, which is mustard. See, mustard color is also available in this.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Same, the price is 799.
Okay.
Next article is maroon color.
Beautiful.
This is with the zari work with the white pant.
All
The
right.
pant is plain white. And I have two colors also. I'm showing you two colors also.
Yeah.
See, this is mustard color,
And that is navy blue.
navy
color.
blue. Both the colors are very nice.
Ah.
Next article is with the sequence work, a kind of little bit party wear piece.
Okay.
This is with the pant. The pant have the sequence work also.
Sequence work.
I have two colors in this. First is navy, sorry,
Chocolate color.
mustard, and this is coffee.
Yeah.
Both the
Very
colors are very nice, and all have the sizes small to double
Double
XL sizes
XL.
are available. So don't worry about the sizes.
So double XL you mean 44, na?
Yes, 44 is available.
But I think that 44 is quite big enough to fit 46 also local brand ka, है ना?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
See the
Alright.
next article. This is in single color,
Uh-huh.
and this is like regular stock I have.
Okay.
This is coming regularly.
So you're restocking it every
Yes,
time?
yes.
All
Restocking it every time. The price is 799,
Okay.
and this is the single color.
All right.
See, this is foil work.
All right.
Very beautiful article with the A-line frock.
A-line frock.
See, these are the potli buttons in
Yes.
front. This is the plazo. The plazo is like this.
Like this. All right.
The price is 999 only. Free shipping.
All right.
Next, I am showing you few articles. These are also embroidery articles, but I don't have much pieces in these articles.
To showcase. Yes.
See, this is also embroidery work. Price is 799 only, and these are all discounted price, guys. This is for 650 only. This is print with the plazo.
All right.
See, this is the next article. You can also see that article. ये article भी मेरे पास हमेशा restock रहता है.
All right.
This is with the pant, and this is in cotton.
All right.
Next article I am showing you in single embroidery in black color.
All right.
Single color. 799.
799.
Next article I am showing you little bit sequence work, kind of party work. See the pant have sequence work. Neck have sequence work. The color is very nice.
Of course,
See.
this is. a
See,
cool
sleeves
color.
have
Yes.
also, and this is with the pant.
With the pant.
I have 4 colors in this. First is this, second is green color, and third is black color,
All right.
and fourth is very nice color, like a kind of bluish shade.
Bluish, yes. A
The
different
4
blue
colors
also.
are there.
All right.
The price is 899.
All right.
This is a little bit heavy work, so the price is 899, free shipping.
All right.
Next article is very nice article. This is also a kind of sequence work with the embroidery.
All right.
The pant is like with the sequence work.
Sequence work.
The color is very nice because festivals are coming. These all are dark colors. Festivals में बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. इसमें भी I have 4 colors total. See the color.
Yeah, these are the
Navy,
colors. Yeah.
green,
Black
red
and
color,
red.
and black. Red color is for Karwa Chauth.
Wonderful.
So these are the colors in this. Next article I am showing you in single color. This is also in 899 range. See the pant, and this is the
This
neck
is the
work.
neckline, yes.
Yes, very beautiful and unique color.
Unique. Seriously.
Whosoever is interested, see I have offers also. Please watch the video. I will tell you offers
Achha.
also
So
for the
great
wholesalers.
offers are coming up soon.
Yes, yes.
So stay tuned, guys. Miss skip मत कीजिएगा वीडियो प्लीज, आप मिस कर देंगे ऑफर.
Sure. See next article.
All right.
This is the pant, specially for Karwa Chauth, red color. See the next color. I have few more colors also in this. This is
Alright.
Rani, very beautiful color, but limited pieces.
Limited.
See in black
Alright.
color. These are the 4 colors are available.
All right.
Next article I have. See one more color is there, navy color.
Navy color.
In this total 5 colors are available.
Total 5 colors.
See next article is in black color with the sequence work.
Sequence
The
work.
pant is with the this is the pant. Wait. Pant have work.
Again, sequence work
Yes.
and zari.
Yes, zari and sequence work both, and it is also for 899,
899.
and the color is maroon color.
Okay. No GST, na?
No GST is there, but if anybody is interested, if anybody wants GST bill for the like wholesalers, generally wholesaler want GST bill, so they can tell me. I
Approach the
yes
boutique
yes
owner.
yes.
All right.
We have GST also. We are GST approved company, so don't worry about that. You can trust on us. Next article is this. This is for 799. This is pure embroidery article, and all the fabrics are rayon. These all I am showing you ना. तो फैब्रिक सारे के सारे रेयन के अंदर है.
All right.
तो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम आने वाली नहीं है.
Okay.
See this is with the plazo.
All right.
Plazo have a embroidery work and in yoke.
Yo.
2 colors are there. This is peach color.
All right.
Peach and grey.
Very good.
799 only.
799. Okay.
Next article is this. Very nice color.
Yes, it's really very elegant, huh?
Yes.
Trust me.
And this
Viewers,
is with
trust
the,
me, this is very elegant, huh?
and I have 2 colors in this. See the pant.
Yeah, look at the
Pant
pant.
have?
Yes. Sequence.
Yes.
Similar to the neckline.
This is pastel shade.
And again, this is lavender color.
Yes. See the next color.
Beautiful.
Very nice color. Pant is with same sequence work.
And the cloth is very good actually.
Yes, the cloth is rayon fabric.
Rayon
Don't
fabric.
worry about the cloth. You can trust on fabrics also. And if anybody found defective piece, we take returns and exchange also. See the next article. This is for 899 only. This is with the pant.
Yes.
The pant is printed.
Printed pants.
See. And you have one side pocket also. Yes. One side pocket is also available in this.
And how much is the cost for both of
899
the
only.
899 only.
Yes.
Okay.
With the embroidery.
All right. So,
In this
my
I
dear
have-
viewers, please grab these articles
See.
before the stock lasts.
Yes. See,
Wow,
this is all
this is
festival
something
collection.
different yellow color.
Yes. 2 colors are there.
2 colors. Yes, yes. Perfect. Mind blowing. Next. Okay, please elaborate इसके बारे में.
Next article is plazo set also.
Okay.
This is Jaipur plazo set. This is with the gota work and this is with the pant, printed pant. The price is only 899.
All right.
Next article is, this is with handwork and the fabric is rayon fabric. Pant is very nice. Cotton khadi pant. See, the handwork is very nice.
Very nice.
With the thread work also.
Interesting.
This is the sleeves.
Okay.
Price is 899 only.
All right.
Now I'm showing you SKDs, dupatta sets. So this is dupatta set. This is with the tassels.
Yeah.
This is with pant
Pant.
and dupatta is 2 side borders.
Pure dupatta, na?
Yes, yes, chiffon dupatta.
Chiffon.
And the sizes are available small to double XL.
All right.
Next, I am showing you all the Jaipur collection now.
Okay.
You can just see the collection. This is the embroidery work. These all are party wear collection. You can order it for your Karwa Chauth or like coming up festivals also. And this is all in sale. Right now I'm just like telling you the offers as of now. Retail customer, if you buy Jaipur pieces, buy one, like 2 pieces if you buy, then 5% discount is there.
अच्छा.
And if you minimum shop for 3000 rupees, then 5% discount is there. All over में से कुछ भी आप कुछ
तो
भी
ये
लेते
offer
हैं,
था ना अपना?
ये ऑफर
Okay,
है.
चलो बहुत अच्छा.
3000 के अंदर कोई भी कुछ भी लेते हैं आप, 5% डिस्काउंट. जयपुर आर्टिकल्स में एनी 2 पीसेस लेते हैं तो 5% डिस्काउंट. वेदर वो 3000 से अबव हो या 3000 से नीचे हो, देन ऑल्सो 5%. अगर कोई 5000 की शॉपिंग करता है, ओनली फॉर रिटेल क्लाइंट्स आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस ऑफर, नॉट फॉर होलसेल क्लाइंट्स.
Okay.
होलसेल क्लाइंट्स शिपिंग यू हैव टू पे एक्स्ट्रा.
Okay.
मिनिमम 5000 का ऑर्डर होगा, उसमें शिपिंग आपको एक्स्ट्रा पे करनी पड़ेगी होलसेल क्लाइंट्स के लिए.
Okay.
और होलसेल क्लाइंट्स के लिए ऑफर जो रहेगा, अगर इफ यू शॉप फॉर 20,000 और अबव, देन वी आर गिविंग यू free shipping all over India only, not abroad.
Okay.
Because few of my
I know,
customers are asking.
No.
No, अभी last time क्या हुआ, one of my customer is asking, मैम abroad में भी free shipping दे रहे हो आप about 20,000
जुड़ जाएंगे फिर तो.
इतना तो we can't give you, sorry. So the free shipping on
Within
above
India.
within India only, above 20,000 of order.
Yes,
Only for wholesale clients.
बिल्कुल.
Retail clients, I have told you the offers: 3,000 5%, 5,000 10% discount.
Yes. Perfect.
This is the frock. See, anarkali.
Okay.
This is with the embroidery work.
Okay.
See, I am telling you the dupatta's length also, because some people have problem. उनको पीस मिलने के बाद लगता है कि मैंने उनको दुपट्टे का लेंथ नहीं बताया.
Okay.
So the दुपट्टा लेंथ will be approx 2 meters.
2 meters.
हाँ, मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि 2.5 मीटर का दुपट्टा होगा.
Okay.
दुपट्टा है 4 side border.
Okay.
See, this is the pant.
All right.
See, I have 2 colors in this. See, both the colors are very nice.
Interesting.
Both the colors are very nice, and the price is only 1250.
1250.
Free shipping.
Free shipping. All right.
Free shipping 1250.
All right.
Next article is straight straight. Some people are asking for straight kurtis
Straight
also.
fits, yes.
This is with the embroidery work here from.
हाँ.
यहाँ पे भी एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क आएगा, पैंट में भी आपको सी ये एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क मिलेगा. और जो इसका दुपट्टा है, दुपट्टा इज वेरी नाइस. सी द दुपट्टा. दुपट्टा थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. ये दिस इज कॉटन
क्रश फैब्रिक.
क्रश फैब्रिक है ये.
कोटा डोरिया.
कोटा डोरिया. राइट
Yes.
राइट राइट
मुझे
राइट.
मालूम पड़ गया थोड़ा.
हाँ राइट राइट. दिस इज विद 4 side borders.
Taping on all four sides, na?
Yes, 4 side borders. I have 3
Mustard
colors
color.
in this. First is this, second is this. The price is 1199.
All
And
right.
the third color is navy.
Navy blue.
Navy blue. There are 3 colors. You can order it. You can order any color.
Any of these
Yes.
colors.
Price
All
is
right.
only 1199, free shipping.
Very nice.
Next is Karwa Chauth color, red colors in straight. So this is with the embroidery. Same. In bottom we have the
Same concept.
yes. And the pant have the, see the pant have embroidery work, heavy embroidery work.
Exactly.
And see the dupatta.
Excellent.
Dupatta is only 2 meters length. Please don't like fight with me after
Don't
receiving
mistake
the.
it for 2.5 meters.
Yes,
And
yes.
we are, I mean, the boutique owner is trying to be very transparent with you
Yes.
guys. So there is nothing hidden, and she is revealing the fact. The
Yes.
dupatta is not 2.5 meters, but it is only 2 meters.
No, whatever the dupatta will be, I will telling you.
Yeah. She
If
will
the
be
dupatta
announcing
will-
it in the video.
Yes.
itself.
And the fabric is rayon fabric. I
All
have
right.
3 colors in this. This
This is
purple.
maroon color, na?
No, this is purple color.
Purple. Sorry.
Purple, red, and your favorite Rani.
Yes.
3 colors are there, and the price is 1199 only, free shipping.
Free
3 colors are there: Rani, red, and purple.
Purple.
Okay, you can order it any color.
Awesome.
नेक्स्ट इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल कलर, लाइट शेड, समर्स के अंदर चलने वाला. इसका जो प्राइस रहेगा, इट्स फॉर 1050 ओनली. दिस इज इन कॉटन.
All right.
द पैंट इज प्लेन
All right.
एंड द दुपट्टा इज, दिस इज दुपट्टा with
Yes,
the
this crochet work.
crochet work. Dupatta is like stole dupatta.
Yeah, and
not
the,
full length.
some kind of tie and dye effect. I
Yes,
can see,
yes. It's a very like light
Light,
tie,
light.
tie and dye effect.
Yes,
in
yes.
both the shades.
Beautiful.
This
I
is
think
the
even
second
this color is quite good, huh? Turkish
Yes.
color.
The price is
Turquoise
only
color.
1050.
All right.
1050.
All right.
Okay, the next article is very, आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा इन है ये आर्टिकल. See,
I
and
think
it
this
is
is
in,
slit cut, na?
yes,
Slit.
it is high slit.
High slit.
High slit article. I have 3 colors in this. The price is only 1399, and I have 3 colors. This is burgundy, this is
Red.
pure red, you can like red also, and this is navy.
Yes.
And the sizes are small to triple XL. 46 is available.
Yes.
And this is with the handwork. I can show you the.
I can see. Yes. Yes.
See,
yes.
this is all handwork.
And these are all real mirrors, huh, guys?
Yes,
These
yes,
are not
yes.
false mirrors.
Yes, these are real mirrors. And this is the pant.
This is the pant.
See the pant.
Gota work and some kind of print.
Yes.
Silver
And
foil print.
in this also the dupatta is little big,
I
little
think
big.
dupatta is simply awesome, huh?
See,
This adding beauty to the entire suit actually.
yes. And you can see the colors of it.
Yes. Yes.
This is red, burgundy, and navy color. 3 colors are available.
I think navy color is very much
Yes,
in
in.
trend these days, huh?
Yes, and the red is also because Karwa
Red,
Chauth is
yes,
coming.
yes, yes.
So red is also, people are liking red color also.
Yeah.
So in my collection you will see many
Red,
red,
huh?
Rani, like festival colors is
Festival colors, yeah.
there. See, next is this. This is low range article. This is for 1299. The
Okay.
difference is only the handwork difference is there.
Hmm.
See, in this you can see little bit. जो काम है वो बहुत कम है in compare to this piece.
Compared to this, yeah.
So I have both the colors, both the like work. If you want in low range, this is for 1299. That is for 1399.
All right.
And in this also I have one color. This is wine shade.
Wine shade, all
Yes,
right.
this is wine shade. This is Rani color with the Guineas.
Guineas, yes.
Same pant will be, pant have no gota work. This is the difference.
This
The
is
price difference is this.
Yes.
Dupatta is same.
Same. All right.
Next is Bandhani print. People is like liking it.
Yeah, people
I
are
have
liking it.
left with very few pieces. I have only 46 size available in this. If anybody is interested can take, because these pieces all are sold.
Oh.
I have 2 colors left in this. This is navy, this is mustard, and see the dupatta. In this you will get 2.5 meters of dupatta.
Acha. Here you get 2.5 meters.
See, this
All
is
right.
2.5 meters of dupatta with the print. And where is the pant? See, the pant is leheria.
That's zigzag print. Oh, sorry, these are leheria. Yes, pure
Yes.
leheria.
This is leheria
And this is
pant.
all slim fit pants, huh?
Yes, yes, these are slim fit pant. So if
Yes.
anybody is like heavy, so don't buy this piece.
Acha.
So it will not fit to you from the pant.
Yes. Pant point
हाँ,
of view.
पैंट से नहीं आएगा, बट आई नो कि वो चेस्ट से आ जाएगा.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Next is what, ma'am?
नेक्स्ट इज लाइक स्ट्रेट दुपट्टा सेट. दिस इज विद द हैंड वर्क.
That is tubelight work, no?
Yes, yes, yes. See, this is the gota work in bottom,
Yes.
and the pant is like, this is the pant
All right.
with the matching yoke,
Hmm.
and the dupatta is like, dupatta is big in this.
Hmm.
See the dupatta. This
All
is
right.
dupatta, and in this I have 3 colors. See,
Okay.
see, these are the colors. This is sky blue,
Sky blue,
pink,
pink.
and mustard.
All right.
And see, you can see the handwork closely. This is the handwork
Yes.
in all the pieces.
All right.
These are the pieces, and the price is only 1090.
All right.
1090 free shipping.
All right. Only for retail customers, huh?
Yes, yes, only for retail customers. Wholesale prices are different.
Beautiful article, huh?
See, the next article is straight kurti.
Mm-hmm.
Straight kurti. Sorry. See, this is straight kurti with the crochet work
in the border. Yes.
in bottom, and this is the sharara.
Sharara.
Yes.
Again, crochet work.
Yes, the sharara. See, this is with the crochet work.
Okay,
The piece is very nice. If you want any sober piece, then this is the piece.
This is the one for you, and this is
Yes.
pom pom lace.
Pom pom lace in all cotton dupatta,
All right.
and the price is 1399.
Okay.
Yes, 1399 is the price.
All right. And these are all home wash, no?
Yes, yes, home wash, but
With
not
easy,
machine
mild,
wash.
mild detergent.
Yes, yes, yes.
No machine wash, guys. Only and only hand wash. That
People,
too with mild
yeah.
detergent.
आजकल लोगों को पता है, like the Jaipur, like heavy pieces, we cannot wash in machine because the handwork is there. Handwork भी उसको damage भी कर सकता है
बिल्कुल,
machine.
बिल्कुल.
Machine wash, so don't wash it in machine.
Yeah. Instead, use your own hands. You know.
Yes, yes, yes. The next article is like with the handwork,
Alright.
very nice A-line anarkali with the
Alright.
pant. This is the pant.
Zigzag pant.
Yes, and the dupatta is like this
Even
with the 4
zigzag.
side borders.
This is 2.5. Is
Yeah, the dupatta is like lengthy. See, I am showing you the dupatta
it? The
also.
length is quite enough. Quite reasonable, actually.
Yes, this is the length.
To.
It's approx 2.
Approx 2
हाँ,
meters.
2 meters.
All right.
2 meters, like it's more than 2 meters, but I am telling you 2 meters.
All right.
The price is 1299.
All right.
1299. Sizes are small to triple XL is available.
Relax.
ठीक.
Carry on. Yeah. This
Then-
one.
The next article is straight suit, cotton suit. The price is 950 rupees only. This is the dupatta. The fabric is very nice. 4-side dupatta with
Taping.
4-side lace.
Yeah.
Gota lace, and this is the neck work. Rest is plain. Bottom have the lace,
Yes.
and this is the pant. This is the pant.
Alright, alright.
The price is 1050 only.
All right.
Next article is very beautiful. See, this is with the sharara, short kurti with the border. This is the handwork. The bottom have the kind of tassels, and you will like the sharara also. See,
Beautiful.
this is the sharara. See,
Wonderful.
and the gota work, दुपट्टा is with the gota work. दुपट्टा is big. इसमें छोटा दुपट्टा नहीं है, बड़ा दुपट्टा है कॉटन का.
Wonderful.
And the price is 1399.
1399.
1399 is the price with free shipping. This is party wear piece, guys. So I am showing you next article. In this I have limited piece, only M size is available. See, this is with the gota work. This is with the
Beautiful
tassels.
color, beautiful
Yes.
design, and
See
a
the-
very very subtle
Yes.
dupatta,
See the dupatta. In
Yes.
the dupatta is full length.
full length.
The price is 1050.
Wow.
The next is
See viewers, these are all pure and pure Jaipuri handwork, print
yes,
suits.
yes. These all are Jaipuri prints.
Yeah.
See, this is the straight article again.
Uh-huh.
The price is 1299.
Okay.
This is the pant, and this is with the stole dupatta.
Stole dupatta.
Dupatta is stole with the 4 side tassels.
Beautiful.
See, this is the tassels on 4 side. The dupatta is very nice, and on yoke you will get the potli buttons also.
Portly buttons.
See,
Wonderful.
the price is 1299.
All right.
It's in cotton. The next article is gown. This is also in trend nowadays. See that this is all the handwork, tassels. In bottom you will get the lace with the gota work,
Gota work.
and sleeves have the embroidery.
Crochet.
This is the pant, and you can get the 4 side borders in dupatta. Dupatta is lengthy.
Okay.
See, dupatta is big.
Beautiful.
The price is 1399. 1399.
All right. Next.
Next article is in rayon fabric. It's in A-line anarkali. This is the, you can say, this is the golden work, foil print work, not patra work.
अच्छा.
हाँ, और नीचे इसमें बॉर्डर में आएगा फुल गोटा वर्क.
Full Gota work.
ये इसका स्लीव रहेगा. And this is the pant. Pant is white with
Beautiful.
print.
Beautiful.
And dupatta is very nice with full length.
Full length.
Crochet lace 4 side borders के साथ.
Beautiful.
The price is 1299.
All right.
I have L and double XL available in this
Wonderful.
particular piece. The next is heavy piece. See, this is in mustard color. This is all gota work with sleeve work, with bottom work, and the dupatta is full length. See the dupatta,
Wonderful.
and this is the pant matching with yoke. The price is 1399.
Yes.
The next article is in green shade, very nice article. Side tassels.
Side tassels. Yes.
This is gota work.
Gota work. Okay.
Front yoke you can see.
Yes.
This is printed pant, and the like dupatta is full length.
All right.
Dupatta is full length.
All right.
Very nice. And in this I have left with small and triple XL only.
All right.
The price is 1299.
Triple XL means 46.
46 size available.
Cool.
Next article I am showing you anarkali,
Acha.
A-line anarkali with all gota work and embroidery. This is pant, and see, this is with the stole dupatta.
Okay.
Dupatta is stole. देखिए.
Okay.
The price is 1199.
All right.
Next
This
is
is without pant, na?
no with pant.
With pants. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Very reasonable, huh?
See, with
Triple
pant.
line. Okay.
all the pieces I am showing you ना दुपट्टा सेट्स जितने भी हैं
हाँ.
सारे पैंट्स के साथ रहेंगे.
All right.
दिस इज स्ट्रेट सेट. अभी आया है, रीस्टॉक हुआ है. पहले बहुत डिमांड आया था मेरे पास इसका, बट ओनली एम साइज इज अवेलेबल. दिस इज हैंडवर्क विद सम काइंड ऑफ लाइक that mirror work, but
Mirror
not
work.
real mirror work.
All right.
And the dupatta is very nice. See, the dupatta is full length
Hmm.
and all printed dupatta.
All
Price
printed.
is 1199.
1199. All right.
Only M size available.
All right.
The next article is with the lining. Very nice fabric. This is all weaving fabric.
Mm-hmm.
The embroidery is very nice with the small size pearl work.
Pearl work. Okay.
And the dupatta is net
Okay.
dupatta, and this is the pant.
And what is the price?
The price is little bit high for this. This is 1499.
All right.
1499. In this I have one more color,
All right.
green color.
All right. Next.
Next is A line anarkali.
Mm-hmm.
This is kalamkari print, you can
Kalamkari
say,
print. Okay.
with the pant,
Uh-huh.
and this is the stole dupatta
All right.
with 4 side borders.
All right.
The price is 1199.
All right.
This is also kalamkari print in black color. I have 3XL available in this and double XL
So
available in
प्लस
this.
साइज वाले लोग
हाँ ले
के लिए
सकते हैं
खुशखबरी है ये, है ना?
हाँ हाँ
देखिए कितना सुंदर सा आर्टिकल आपके लिए
with the
available है.
pant. With the pant.
With the pant.
If someone has heavy thighs, so don't take these things because उनको पैंट फिट नहीं होगा. As you know कि
लेगिंग्स
इसमें
पहन ले, है ना?
हाँ लेगिंग्स
Stretchable.
पहन सकते हैं आप. ये पैंट किसी को गिफ्ट भी कर सकते हैं विद मैचिंग कुर्ती.
या फिर अपनी डॉटर अगर होंगी उनको दे दीजिए.
हाँ
या सिस्टर को दे दीजिए.
बिकॉज क्या है ना, ये फुल लेंथ के गाउन हैं. यू
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल,
द
बिल्कुल.
लेग्स विल नॉट विजिबल इन दिस,
बिल्कुल.
so you can wear it like this only.
Yes.
And the dupatta is full length in this.
Beautiful.
See, this is the dupatta,
Hmm.
full length dupatta. The price is 1199.
All right. Nice.
This is a straight article with the handwork, with the handwork touching.
Okay. There is these are studs, na?
These are cut dana,
Cut
with,
dana.
with some small
Okay.
pearl.
Okay.
This is all print and in rayon fabric.
Mm-hmm.
The pant is also in rayon and the dupatta is in cotton, full length.
Full length.
Full length dupatta. Contrast
All right. Contrast. Yes.
to match.
Got it.
The price is 1099 only.
All right.
1099. Few pieces left. See, next is also A line anarkali
Mm-hmm.
with the tassels. In front there is a mirror work, not real mirror work.
Mm-hmm.
The price is 1299. This is pant and this is full length dupatta.
All right.
Dupatta is full length with the 4 side borders.
All right.
Got gotapatti work.
All right.
Okay. The next article is this. Very nice article with the
Crochet work.
handwork, sequence work with the crochet lace here, and in bottom we have a crochet lace with the
All
gota
right.
work.
All right.
These are the tassels.
Okay.
This is pant and this we have stole dupatta.
All right.
See, the price is 1299 only.
All right.
1299 only, and I have one mustard color also.
Uh-huh.
One mustard color also. I have medium size available only. Medium, and in this I have L size available.
Okay.
Because few pieces I am showing you assortment pieces also. Apart from this, I have more collection in low range also.
Okay.
If anybody wants like 899 SKDs for the party wear range, they cannot afford 1000 above SKDs, so they can just
They can approach you.
they can approach me. I can show like 1 or 2 articles I am showing you in that.
Okay.
See this type of article. This is for 899.
Beautiful article.
See, in this article don't have any complaint. बस ये कम है क्योंकि ये मेरे पास लॉट में आया है. That's it. The price is low. Otherwise ऐसा इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि ये सस्ता है तो इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. See, this is the
Divider.
yes, this is the divider. The piece is very nice. See,
Very good यार. I mean.
and this is the. I'm just showing you 2 or 3 articles.
बहुत
I'm not
खूबसूरत है ये. मतलब इतने पैसों में तो बहुत ही अच्छी डील है.
899 free shipping.
And trust me,
But-
pure and pure party wear.
Yes, and but the thing is, one thing is, I have only single pieces left.
तो भाई कौन लकी है ये
हाँ.
ग्रैब कर लीजिए भाई जल्दी.
ये in this range
कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे जरूर शेयर कीजिए किसने उठाया ये पीस.
L size is available.
I'll
I'm
be more
just
than
showing
happy.
you,
Yes.
showing you just like single pieces article.
Yeah.
In this I have many articles.
Many articles, you know. Yes. These are all the articles.
They see the dupattas are very nice,
Very
full length
nice.
dupattas.
Full
All
length,
are very nice. I have many pieces. Okay.
बताइए.
कुछ आर्टिकल्स मेरे पास सरप्लस में किड्स के लिए भी
Branded,
हैं.
yeah.
या ओनली फॉर द गर्ल्स, नॉट फॉर बॉयज.
Okay.
This is a frock in cotton frock. Back has buttons.
Frill नीचे है.
Frill नीचे है. This is only cost for 399 rupees.
All right.
Sizes you can ask me for the size.
ठीक है.
And some pieces are assortment pieces. This is only for 699 with the
Okay.
plazo.
Plazo. Wonderful.
See, baby piece, only one piece left, huh?
बिल्कुल.
Next article is very nice. So you can ask me for size because I have few pieces left. This is with the sharara.
With
Very
sharara.
beautiful article with the dupatta.
With dupatta, with all four-side taping.
Yes.
All right.
The price is only 899.
All right.
This is also next article. This is also in handwork. See, like for the festival season, you can buy these pieces.
Ideal ones, yes.
Yes, this is a plazo for girls, teenager girls और बहुत छोटे girls जो होते हैं वो easily इसको carry कर सकते
Carry कर
हैं.
सकते हैं.
This is the dupatta, 4-side border. This is also for 999.
All right.
This is frock,
All right.
very nice with embroidery. The price is only 699. This is only 299.
Okay.
Single kurti. You can see. This is also in 299. See, this is also in 299 with the work in bottom,
Okay.
and these are the tassels.
Okay.
This is single piece left. This is lehenga,
Crop top, na?
crop top with lehenga.
With lehenga. Very pretty, huh?
See, I have the photo shoots also available. If you anyone want photo
This is
shoots,
simply beautiful.
yes, this is,
Pure and pure party wear, huh? Ideal for
Yes.
this upcoming festivals.
and the size is 10 to 11 here. If
10 to 11
someone
years.
wants it, they can order it. The price is 1199 only.
All right.
Last piece left.
Okay.
नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल इज फॉर बहुत छोटी गर्ल्स के लिए अवेलेबल है ये. इसमें बड़े साइजेस भी अवेलेबल हैं विद द लेगिंग्स. दिस इज कट स्लीव्स. सी,
Okay.
ओनली फॉर 699. दिस फ्रॉक ओनली फॉर 499 विद द एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क, एंड दिस इज फॉर 399.
All right.
दैट्स इट.
That's it. Okay. Thank you
So-
so much, and it was very nice interacting with you, ma'am.
Thank you,
and
sir.
I hope viewers this video would have been quite informative
यस.
and at the same time very interesting and exciting, है ना? So if you have liked this video, then you may please hit the like button, share this video as much as you can, and last but not the least, please do subscribe to our channel. The name of our channel is Metro Heights. आप कुछ और बोलना चाहेंगी वाइंड अप करने से पहले?
या मैं बोलना चाहूँगी, दोबारा से एक बार रिमाइंड कराना चाहूँगी, जो डिस्काउंट्स है, डिस्काउंट्स फॉर रिटेल कस्टमर टुडे इज 3000 5% डिस्काउंट, 5000 10% डिस्काउंट, एंड फॉर होलसेल you minimum orders will be 5000. You have to pay extra shipping, but above 20,000 order we are giving free shipping for 1 week only.
अच्छा.
Yeah, for 1 week only we are giving free shipping in only all over the India, not
All over India.
abroad.
Yes.
We are accepting abroad orders also. We are sending abroad bulk orders also, so you can contact us. And if anybody wants like GST bill also, we provide GST bill also. So we are registered like GST based company, so don't worry about.
All right.
You can trust
So
on
everything
us.
is very transparent here.
Yes.
So you won't find any kind of hidden. Everything is very transparent, and whatever ma'am has said during the video, she has announced about the dupattas. अगर जो दुपट्टा 2 meters का है वो 2 meters का होगा, and if it is 2.5, she has already announced it. So nothing is hidden as such. So please pick up the phone, grab this opportunity, and place an order before the festival.
Sure.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome, sir.